Well, I know you guys are used to me working on crusty cars, but today I do get the pleasure of trying to figure out why one of my friends' beautiful 73 Mercury Marquis has a misfire. And I think I might have figured it out. So I went to go and check the spark plugs. And we've got these distributor wires. I'm not sure how old they are. But I pulled this guy off, and off came the connector with the spark plug too. So I guess I'm going to try and fire it up and see if it has the same condition or a worse condition than it did before. So let's remove this fan before I fire it up. Okay, let's go back over here. And I mean, it is in absolutely beautiful condition. He has taken care of this thing. Yep, still the same condition, so I think I might have found our culprit. Because there's no way that those cables just come disconnected without, causing an issue. Man, this Missouri weather is awful hot. But I'm hoping that my partner will be pleased to have kind of an answer, hopefully the answer, to the misfire condition. He said he's taken it to a shop. He got a new distributor. He said he got a new carburetor, but they didn't do the carburetor. They didn't do a new one, that is. They did a refurb on the old one. That's one thing about me, man. Whenever somebody, especially a customer, somebody who's willing to pay you money, comes up to you and says, hey, I want this thing done, you don't ask questions. You say why? Well, I guess you ask why. And if it sounds plausible, swing it. If that's what they want done, swing it. I've been to plenty of shops where they won't do a torque converter because they don't think that it's the problem. They think it could be the whole transmission, and they want to do a whole transmission rebuild. I believe in right to repair, so if you think that this is it and you're willing to put money in my pocket for it, then I'm willing to do it 100%. So just to double check, I'm going to completely remove this wire and see if we can, because it came off like this. Like, I don't think that's supposed to happen, to be honest with you. We'll put this over here. Try it one more time. Bet you it was firing on 7 the whole time. That's exactly what was happening. Boys and girls, we found our culprit. So I went through, we ordered a new set of spark plug wires to put onto that Mercury. He's going to be happy whenever it comes in, because I don't think it's going to be misfiring anymore after adjusting the carb a little bit and putting those new spark plug wires on. I think we're going to be great. So I'm going to go step in. I'm going to enjoy a little bit of air conditioning before I start digging in to one of these Vicks back here. I'm going to dig into something tonight. I'm not going to be lazy, I promise. I'm actually going to keep you all updated and start posting a lot more.